Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to today's video. Today it's a tips video on how to make your rice to come out like this. A single grain whereby it's not mashed, it's not overcooked. It's a simple guide and I'm sure you learned something. Let's get started. So I'm now making 2 cups of rice, and for 2 cups of rice I will need 3 cups of water. So the first thing you need to do is establish which cup you will use. So now I'm using this cup and I'll be measuring 2 cups of rice. So the next thing is to wash the rice. Now depending on the amount of starch your rice has, I would say clean it up to 2 times. Put the first water, mix, pour off the water, put another batch of water and then pour it off. That should be enough. So for the water, my ratio for cooking rice is 1 cup of rice for 1.5 cups of water. So now I have 2 cups of rice, I will need 3 cups of water. After the rice is clean, place it in the cooking pot, and mind you don't have to wait for the water to boil. You can actually add the rice to cold water or to boiling water. When the water starts boiling with the rice in, you need to reduce the heat to the minimum so that it comes to a simmer. When you're using this method of cooking rice, it takes about 12 minutes to cook. Now at minute 9 or 10, open the pan, stir it, and at this time I usually like tasting the rice so that I can tell if I need more salt or not. To avoid rice from overcooking, it's always good to stir so that the rice on the bottom comes on top and the one on top goes to the bottom. And in around 12 minutes, the rice will be cooked. Just make sure you taste so that you are sure that it's fully cooked, and turn off the heat. So check out my other videos on my channel to see more rice recipes, including the Mary's Gold Pishori rice series.